What's the best window repair company near me?
ARDMOR repairs any window brand possible, including Andersen, Marvin, and Pella windows.
Should I replace my windows or repair them?
ARDMOR saves you money by repairing first, either by glass replacement or custom-made parts that match your original windows.
What are the best replacement windows for my home?
Upgrade through ARDMOR with windows from top brands like Advance, Andersen, and Octoplast across materials like vinyl, Fibrex, and more. Trusted by over 14,500 plus homeowners. Start with ARDMOR today.